Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now I have a very quick tutorial for you, a very detailed but quick tutorial on Capcut. If you're familiar or not familiar with Capcut, I'm going to give you a beginner's tutorial if you're really trying in the editing platform. First thing, let's talk about how to download it. Now again, I'm going to be inside the App Store. If you're using your Android device, basically log in and now go to your Play Store, search for Capcut, and this is how to get it. Take note, guys, it has a payment plan, but also has a free plan. So let's open it up. Now I'm currently opening up CapCut right now, and as you can see, it's loading. Because CapCut checks the environment, your device, if it's meeting the minimum requirements. So on the first thing right here, you're gonna see how it describes you. Because it's gonna tailor fit your user interface depending on your answers. For this one, you can choose personal user, full-time social media creator, video and photo editing teacher. I'm gonna go for this one. It only has 4 questions. So for this one right here, I'm gonna go on work on video projects. Choose the one that best fitted for you guys, okay? Because it's gonna tailor fit a user interface for you. So what kinds of videos did you create with CapCut? I'm gonna go for tutorial and education. And how did you hear about CapCut? I'm gonna go from a friend. I'm gonna get started right now. And as you can see right here, on the right off the bat, it's gonna be a slick user interface. On the upper left, you're gonna see the standard. These are gonna be the prices that I was talking about earlier. If you don't like the payment plan, of course, guys, you have the free plan. In here, on the upper right corner, you're gonna see your account. You can check your history right there, your help center, and basically the works. Now going back in there, you have your settings, your app language, your add default ending, widgets, feedback, and the works. Now let's talk about the features on the upper section. We have AutoCut, remove background, a photo editor, expand. If you click expand, these are to be the models. Take note, guys, the ones with the diamond logo, those are for the paid options, the paid plan. And I'm going to tell you something. Remove background option is really good because usually those are going to be in the paid plan. Lower section gives you the template library and basically your account one more time. Now let's create a simple project. I'm going to click on new project right now. So once it has been added, I can just simply go straight right there. And the time frame is going to be really user friendly. Above section would be choosing if you want your Ultra HD, depending on your liking. But again, guys, some of these are going to be for the Pro version. If you want to make it into a GIF, one click of a button, you're going to be making it into GIF or GIF or others. Another here, on the upper section, the export option, that's going to be the last thing that we want to click. Now let's talk about the lower sections. This is where the magic happens. Straightforward, if you click on edit right here, you can split, speed up the animations, effects, delete, enhance, and so on and so forth. New one is going to be camera tracking. Camera tracking, trust me, for other editors, editing platform, this is going to be the best feature, and right now it's free in CapCut. The volume, you can increase or decrease the volume of the video. You can even mute it up. As you can see right there, it has been muted. You can transform AI expand. Let's try expand this one right here. I'm going to click on allow. So it's asking me to log in. I want to give you a disclaimer. If you log in for this one, it will ask you for updated versions on the payment plan. So I suggest stay logged out until you decided to buy the payment plan. Alright? In here, the adjust option gives you to change or adjust the color. For example, right here for the color match, this gives you the color to match your color on the background. It's gonna be really good because it's now matching the colors. And if you accidentally remove your editing platform, you can check on your projects right here. I'm gonna open up that one. As you can see, it's gonna be saved as my project. I'm gonna open something here. I'm gonna open a different project from a few months ago. As you can see right there, it's basically a short video. And by the way, guys, in the editing platform, you can now tap this little button to trim your video. Let me just type it in. I think I have big fingers, that's why I'm gonna click that one right there. That video right here, you can decrease and increase your video. Alright? If you want to add another film here or another content, click on the plus icon and you will add your content based on your library. And of course, the best part about CapCut that people all love is this option, the captions. If you click on captions right there, it can generate from the video, spoken language is auto-detected. And that is really good because sometimes people auto-type it or manually type it on the captions. So generate from here, video right there, and basically CapCut will read the audio and generate its caption on its own. You can choose from the templates of the captions right here. Alright? Now, basically, I think that should do it. Those are going to be the beginner guides for CapCut. We're going to move over for more on the next videos for advanced editing platforms and CapCut. One more thing, lastly, if you're satisfied with your video, click on export. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.